When we speak of the beauty of home, it is always backed by unrivaled manufacturing strength. From traditional manufacturing to smart manufacturing, it is an inevitable trend in the transformation and upgrading of China's home furnishing industry. Seizing the momentum, Snimay has structured its strategy around 4 major national production bases, with digital transformation and informatization at its core. Drawing on over 20 years of brand heritage, we have evolved into a leader in smart manufacturing. In the field of green performance, we have been awarded National Demonstration Enterprise for Green Design of Industrial Products Guangzhou Green Factory and China Green Product Certification, as well as China Excellent Standard for Child-Friendly Environment Products, deepening the value of green residential living, from production end to consumption end, building a full-link environmental protection system. At the manufacturing level, we have secured the integration of informatization and industrialization to integration management system certification, solidifying the foundation of informatization and digitalization, enabling the rollout of large-scale flexible production. Meanwhile, we have garnered numerous industry recognitions including Guangzhou Innovation Benchmark Enterprise, continuously leading the customized home furnishing industry on the path of green manufacturing and innovation. Currently, Snimay has established 4 modern industrial bases in North China, Central China, South China, and Southwest China, anchored by market demand. Guided by business strategy, we possess abundant production capacity reserves, enabling precise and large-scale capacity allocation, from the retail sector serving thousands of families, to deeply empowering renovation enterprises, from expanding boundaries through OEM or ON, to forging ahead into global markets. Every business line has its dedicated strategic base, backed by robust capacity and strong operational support. Next, let us follow the lens deep into these 4 strategic hubs to unlock Snimay's end-to-end manufacturing prowess, located in Linyi, Shandong, known as China's logistics capital. Its unique transportation advantages make it a core hub, serving markets in North China, East China, Northeast, and Northwest China. The base features dedicated production lines for retail, decoration enterprises, and foreign trade. It maintains stable cooperation with well-known local decor companies and markets in Southeast Asia and beyond. Driven by the philosophy of demand-driven and data-first, we build competitive service advantages for the enterprise and promote the industry's transition to service-oriented green manufacturing. As a representative enterprise of Linyi's high-end panel and green smart home furnishing industry chain, and an initiating member of the Home Furnishing Design Professional Committee, this base serves as a crucial pivot for the group's northern market strategy. Rooted in central China, connecting the entire nation, the Snimay Hubei base is the core manufacturing hub for the group in central China. Leveraging its strategic crossroads location, it efficiently serves national markets including Central and East China. It undertakes strategic orders from Yuan Shansen and national leading enterprises, and operates specialized production lines for bathroom vanities, ensuring nationwide order fulfillment. The base possesses full-category flexible production capabilities, supporting multi-channel demands with its advanced customization expertise. In terms of green manufacturing, the base has earned the titles of High-Tech Enterprise, Green Product Certification, and Hubei Provincial Green Manufacturing Factory, continuously driving sustainable industry development through green manufacturing. Rooted in Southwest China, empowered by precision craftsmanship, the Snimay Guizhou base utilizes automated robotic production lines and other precision operations to build an efficient and agile smart manufacturing system, not only to meet Southwest China's renovation partners' future needs for scalable and personalized orders, with full production and tech reserves, and more, with reliable fast delivery, becoming trusted back-end support for local renovation partners. As the birthplace and strategic core hub of Snimay, the South China base deeply integrates cutting-edge design R&D with smart manufacturing, continuously leading the direction of industry innovation. Relying on the resources and international perspective of the Greater Bay Area, the base not only possesses full-category flexible production capabilities, but also boasts a comprehensive multi-category whole home customization portfolio. It simultaneously serves home improvement and engineering channels, and undertakes orders from Europe, America, Asia Pacific, the Middle East, and regions worldwide. Also obtained authoritative endorsement of China Environmental Labeling Product Certification, truly embodying Made in the Greater Bay Area. It serves the nation and connects the world, continuously acting as the technology engine and innovation cornerstone of brand development. 4 bases, 1 manufacturing network, HOMAG lines, VES system and 6-sided CNC equipment. Automated logistics and data scheduling in sync. Hardware plus software plus big data integrated. Quality, efficiency and stability fully visible. ESG deeply embedded in manufacturing DNA. Distributed solar PV systems fully deployed, driving lower overall energy consumption, increasing renewable energy utilization, reducing carbon emissions step by step. Green manufacturing powers sustainable development, achieving efficient production and low carbon operation. Snimay's 4 bases span north and south, linking land and sea. Such coordinated operation is far more than a capacity layout, but a forward-looking blueprint for superior quality, high efficiency, green sustainable development and long-term core competitiveness. Snimay forges ahead through manufacturing, redefining the future of China's home industry, turning every vision of home, rooted in green and sustainable foundations, into a natural, beautiful reality. Precision manufacturing, eco-friendly living. Snimay with you, every step of the way.